Hello and welcome back to Eagles FS. This is our Forex weekly video analysis where we show you the direction of the market. So in this video, you'll be able to learn where the market will be moving to this week. You'll be able to see where you can take entry positions, your possible buys or your possible sells. So if this is your first time of coming across to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly support me by subscribing to this channel so that I'll be able to push out content like this in the near future. We also have our free Telegram channels where I drop signals every week. If you have not joined that free Telegram channel, kindly click on the link in the comment section and join our free Telegram channel. Let's go. Starting from Euro USD. On a weekly time frame, you can see that the market has turned bearish because we have broken this level of support. We have broken this level of support. We broke this higher low, signifying a change in direction of this market. Not only that we only broke this higher low, we also broke below this trend line, as you are seeing now, signifying that the market is tumbling down to where? To this zone, to around 0.96 level. So our job now is to find entry positions in a 4-hour time frame. But before we go to 4-hour time frame, let's go to daily time frame and see what is happening in daily time frame. Okay, you can see that in the daily time frame is in a downtrend because of what? There are a series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and another lower low. So after lower low, what do you expect to see? You see lower high. To where? To this yellow zone. So when market move back to this yellow zone, we start looking for possible entry position. But let's go down to 4-hour time frame where we'll be picking our entry. So in our 4-hour time frame, our entry will look like this. When price pull back to this yellow zone, we look for candlestick formation. We look for in a 4-hour time frame, we look for bearish engulf candle that will help us to do what? To sell market down, okay, to our weekly support level. Or we move down to where? 5 minutes time frame and look for a possible change of character towards bearish trend before we buy this market. So let me put our sell positions so that you see how it will look. So when market pull back to this zone, our entry confirmation is bearish engulf candle. That's our entry confirmation. Or what? Move down to 5 minutes time frame. Look for change of character towards bearish trend and we sell this market. Remember, our target is to sell this market down to where? Down to this weekly zone. That is our target. Okay. I hope you can see it. So this is we have a very good potential trend on Euro USD. So next pair on our list is GBP USD. So let's go down to GBP USD. On a weekly time frame, you can see that GBP USD is also in a downtrend. How do I know? You can look at it, take this trend line and move it up. You can see that the price has broken and closed below the trend line on a weekly time level and also has broken this higher low, which is protecting sellers from taking over this market. So our interest is to do what? To find a possible sell position to where? To around 1.23 region. That's where our sell is going down to. So let's move down to daily time frame and see how market is reacting on a daily time frame. So this is daily time frame on GBP USD. You can see that the market is on a downtrend because market has also broken and closed below this trend line, okay, and also closed below the higher low, signifying a change of character towards bearish trend. Okay, so we have all this gap to fill up. So market is falling down to around 1.23 zone. But the question is, how do we join this sell to this zone? So let's go down to 4-hour time frame where we're picking our entries. Okay, hour time frame, we pick our entry when market fall back to this zone. If price come back to this zone, you can see where I put my cursor. We look for what? Bearish engulf candle and sell this market down to our weekly support level. Or we move down to 15 minutes and look for what? Change of character towards bearish trend. So this is how we take our positions on GBP USD coming this week. So next pair on our list is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY on a weekly time frame, you can see that the price is coming down. Let me show you. After making this higher high and higher low, okay, it push up again to do equal high, but it couldn't do it. So market is now retracing back to where? To this zone. This market is pushing down to this zone to gather enough momentum that will continue pushing this market up. So let's go down to daily time frame and see how we can take advantage of this bearish trend. So in a daily time frame, you can also see that the price is also moving down after bridging this trend line and closing below this higher low. Okay, after closing below this higher low, market went back to retest this zone and market is dropping. Okay, to where we expect this market to drop down to this yellow zone. But before there is a support level where this market is resting. Let's see how we can take advantage of this price from this zone down to this zone. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame to have another look. So this is a 4 hour time frame. You can see that in a 4 hour time frame that the market is pure bearish in a 4 hour time frame. So all we need to do is to what? Allow price to pull back to this zone. Let me highlight it. Allow price to do what? To pull back to this zone, this place. So that's where our entry will be. Let this price pull back to this zone and we'll sell from this zone. Our first level target is at this zone, while our major target is down the weekly support level. So let me show you how it will look like. We are selling from this zone. On a confirmation of candlestick with bearish engulf candle on a 4 hour time frame, or we move down to 15 minutes and look for change of character towards bearish trend, and our stop loss will be above the structure, okay, that the market created here. So that is how we will take price that's how we take position on GBP JPY. And the only thing that will make this setup invalid is if price continue to fall down without getting to this zone, okay, or when price come to this zone we didn't see our entry confirmation, please do not sell. So let's go down to next pair on the list. The next pair on the list is Euro JPY. On a weekly time frame, the price is also pulling back. You can see after doing higher high, higher low, it push up again. It couldn't do a higher high, couldn't do equal high. That price is now currently pushing down to where? To this zone before continuational buy to the upper trend. So let's go down to daily time frame and see how we can take advantage of this set that is happening on a weekly time frame. So in a daily time frame, you can also see that the price is also bearish because the price has changed character from where? From bullish to bearish after closing and breaking below this trend line. See this trend line? Price close and below it, and also price close below this higher low, signifying that its character has changed. So all we need to wait now is for price to pull back. Let this price pull back to where? To this zone, and we'll look for entry position to where? Down to this zone. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame where we'll be picking our entry. So on a 4 hour time frame, our entry will be like this. Let this price move down to this zone. Let price move down to this zone. You see this zone? There's a gap here. We'll start monitoring this price from that gap. Let me adjust this. There's a gap here. Okay. So we'll start monitoring price from this gap. Let price come in and fill this gap. And we're picking our sell position down to where? This is our first level target. And overall target will be at the weekly support level. So this is how our entry will look like. And first level target is here. Okay, our stop loss will be above the zone that we created when price come here. Okay, so the only thing that will make this setup invalid is if price continue to fall down from this zone, or If price come to this zone and we do not see our setup, please do not buy, do not sell until our setup happen. Our confirmation is bearish engulf candle, or we move to down to 5 minutes and look for what? Change of character towards bearish trend. So this is how we'll be picking our entries on this pair that I've analyzed this week. If you find value in my video, please kindly subscribe to this channel, kindly share my video so that others will partake in this. And if you have not joined our free Telegram channel, the link is in the comment section. Click on it because you have the advantage of seeing my threads whenever I drop signal in free Telegram channel. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.